Hi friends! Today we are going to make farm animals from our play dog. What farm animals should we make first? Let's open our farm door and see who's inside. Wow! Who's that? There's a horse. Wow! It's turned to our play dog cutter. What color of play dog should we choose for our horse? What color do you want, little horse? Maybe yellow color? No? Purple color? Yes! Let's choose the purple color for our horse. Let's roll our play dog. Something like that. We roll it. Great. Roll it. Now we'll take our mold, our horse, and put it and press it. Press it. Super. Now let's open and see. Wow! What a beautiful horse! Now let's decor our horse. I use the pink color for the tail. Here. And we put something on top. Right here. Super. We put some orange color here and there. Amazing! Now let's put an eye to our horse here. Amazing! And little bit blue here. Great job! We made a wonderful horse. Did you know that there are only 5 basic coat colors a horse can have? Horses can be black, bay, brown, and chestnut. I wonder what farm animal is hiding behind this door. Let's open and see. Wow! There's a cow. A cow is hiding behind this door. We've got a cutter now. Let's pick up a color for our cow. What color should you choose, Mr. Cow? Maybe orange color? No. Maybe yellow color? No. Maybe green color? Yes. Okay. Now let's roll our play dog. Roll it. And roll it one more time. Super. Now, are you ready, Mr. Cow? Let's put it in the middle and press it. Press it. Press it very, very carefully. And now take out our mold. We put our play dog. Amazing! What a beautiful cow we've made. Let's decor it. Let's put a pink tail into our cow. Let's put the blue color on her horn. One horn and the second horn. Super! Let's make some dots for our cow. Here and here. And one more there. Now let's make eyes for our cow. Let's put one here and one here. Super! Let's add a little bit white there and here. Super! We've made a cute green cow. Cows have a strong sense of smell. They like to eat grass and also enjoy fruit as delicious snacks. Yes, who's hiding behind this door? Let's open and see. Wow, who's that? There's a dog. Dog hiding behind this door. And now we've got a dog cutter. Let's make a dog from our play dog. Let's choose the color for our dog. Mr. Dog. Maybe blue? No. Maybe yellow? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's make our dog from the yellow play dog. Now let's roll it, our yellow play dog. Roll it. Let's take our dog, put it in the middle and press it. Press it. Press it, press it, press it. Now let's put it back. Great! What a cute and funny dog we've made. Let's decor it. Let's take a red play dog and make a red wing for our dog. Let's add an eye here and a little bit white right here. What amazing dog we've made! Duck is a small type of swimming birds with a short neck and legs. Some dogs can live up to 20 years. And what's that? I see a bone. Whose bone is this? Wow, we found a dog in the farm. Hello, dog. The dog turns to our cutter. Let's make a dog from our play dog. Let's choose the color. What color do you want to be, Mr. Dog? Maybe purple? No. Maybe yellow? No. Maybe orange? Yes. Do you want to be an orange dog? Okay. Let's pick up the orange color and make a dog from orange play dog. Let's roll our play dog. We roll it. Now let's turn it around and roll it. And now we'll take our dog. Are you ready, Mr. Dog? Let's squeeze it and press it. Now, oh, it's amazing. Let's put our dog from there. Great! What a good dog we've made. Let's decor our dog. Let's make a mouse from our dog. Here. Let's put the blue color on his tail. Great. And let's make an eye. Let's put it here. A little bit yellow. Here. And we put the blue color on the leg, one, and the second leg. We've made a little orange dog. Amazing dog we've made. Dogs are the most popular pet on the planet. They can learn over 100 words and gestures. Wow, what's that? There's a car. And what's inside? There's a car cutter here. Let's make a car. Let's choose the blue play dog from our car. Let's roll it. Roll our play dog. Great. Now let's put our car inside our play dog and press it. And now let's see. What a nice car! Let's choose the white color and make a window for our car. Great! Let's add some dots here. There. And there. Let's add the yellow color here and red color on the back of our car. Here. What a magnificent car! Blue car we've made. Here is a little house. Let's open it and see what's inside. Wow, we've got a house cutter. Let's make a house. Let's choose red play dog this time. Let's roll it. Roll it, our play dog. Super. Now let's put our house in the middle of our play dog and press it. Press it. Let's put our cutter and our play dog and see. What a nice little red house. Let's decor it. Let's make a window to our door from our white play dog, and we use the blue color to make a door. Here, let's add the yellow color here on the door. Wow, what a great red house we've made! Wow, what a magnificent things we've made with you today! We've made a purple horse, an orange dog, a yellow dog, a green cow, a blue car, and a red house. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye!